Hey everyone! You probably recognize him, right? That's right, it's Ahn Suho from Weak Hero class. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw him using the Loomis Method. Alright then, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's start by drawing a circle, just like the one you see in the image. This sketch will serve as the basic framework for the head. By the way, do you know what the Loomis Method is? The Loomis Method is a drawing technique developed by the famous illustrator, Andrew Loomis. It helps us understand the structure and proportions of the human head accurately, starting with a simple circle, then adding guidelines to place the eyes, nose, and mouth correctly. This technique is very useful because it allows us to draw the head from different angles while keeping the proportions balanced and realistic. Next, we mark a point between the eyebrows, then draw a vertical line from that point down to the chin. This line should curve slightly to follow the shape of the head, serving as a guide for direction and helping keep the face perfectly balanced. Next, draw a horizontal line across the center point. This will guide the position of the eyebrows and the top of the ears. Then add two more lines, one above and one below. Remember, keep the distance between these lines equal, because these three sections will guide the proportions. The top for the forehead, the middle for the nose, and the bottom for the mouth and chin. Next, we draw a smaller circle. This circle serves as a guide for the side of the face. Place it between the outer edge of the eyebrow and the eye. It helps define the side plane of the head more accurately. Next, let's draw the sidelines of the face. Just like in the reference image, the blue guidelines. These lines serve as guides to shape the entire face, helping the drawing look more balanced, accurate, and true to the head structure. Okay, next. Erase a small part of the circle to form the outline of the head more clearly. Then, add two gentle lines at the bottom to create the neck, making the head sketch look more proportional and natural. Now let's start sketching the nose. First, draw two circles, one larger and one smaller, as guides for the basic shape of the nose. Then draw a line from the tip of the nose up toward the eyebrows to form the bridge, keeping everything aligned and proportional. Next, let's sketch the lips along the lower guideline. Alright, that's all for this short tutorial. Honestly, this is my very first time making a guide like this, and I really hope you enjoy it. Make sure to watch until the end, because up next, we'll turn this sketch into a more realistic drawing. Don't forget to leave your comments and feedback, so I can make better videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.